so I got a good one for you folks. So it's a 2008 Ford Mustang, and the owner got scammed buying this. A lot of it is, number one, always check and verify the VIN, and number two, if you're gonna buy a car, know as much information as you can about it. So he paid $14,000 for this. That's right, $14,000 for it. Now let's take a look at it, and you're probably saying maybe not bad, but let me show you. So real nice rims. I mean, brand new Michelin tires. Focus on that. GT, powered by Ford Performance. Okay, it's got the louvers, looks pretty good. But the reason why he paid $14,000 for it, because this was advertised claiming to be one of the Jack Roush Mustangs. But check it out. The interior, we got the fancy seats, got the nice gauge cluster. But if you're familiar with this car, and I'm not 100% familiar with the Jack Roush and all the little details that come with it, but the dead giveaway that this is not a Jack Roush one is, well, no supercharger. Those come with the supercharger, at least all the ones I've seen. Unless there's a Jack Roush one that doesn't come with a supercharger, there's no supercharger on this. Now the engine is pretty and decked out. This is a sticker that was put on there, and the sticker is getting ready to come off. Okay, they added this strut bar, which more power to them. You know, fancy little cap covers and everything, cold air intake for all the extra power that they really don't provide sometimes. But that's another story. Ford Racing valve covers, look at those and that'll definitely get you going. But yeah, he figured it was a Jack Roush Mustang, but he brought it over. So when he bought this without telling me about it. And I do a lot of automotive work for him, but he was excited. He brought it home, and I was like, okay, let's take a look at it. And then I was like, dude, where's the supercharger? But the story gets even better from there. Now don't get me wrong, the condition of this thing is very nice. The paint, perfect, amazing, brand new Michelin, good tires, the rims, all that type of stuff. The interior, the Jack Roush front and back seats, I mean, really nice. But one of the reasons why he paid the money, and he really got scammed, besides the fact that it's not a Jack Roush, check this out. 33,611 miles. That's right. So now you get a 2008 Ford Mustang with 33,611 miles. So even if it's not a Jack Roush one, the mileage and the condition of this car, I guess I could see the money, because there was a lot of money put into it. But 14,000 is steep, but the story gets better. Folks, check the VINs, check the VINs. I ran the VIN on this. This Mustang has 170,000 miles. That's right, 170,000 miles, and that was recorded at the inspection a year ago. So maybe now 180,000 miles. Now don't get me wrong, this thing runs good, shifts good, well maintained, all the maintenance, no leaks or anything like that. But yeah, he paid $14,000 for a car claimed to be a Jack Roush with the Ford GT sticker with 33,000 miles, and it's not what it is. I mean, like I said, the condition of this car is really good condition. I don't know if it comes on the camera. They had racing stripes at here one time, and it even has the Roush muffler tips. Well, they deleted the mufflers and they just added the pipes on them, so it is a little loud and rowdy. But folks, if you're gonna buy a car, check the VIN, find a friend that knows a little something about it, and do your homework on the car so you can know that you're buying what it is. You know, it's like buying a Ram Laramie that was actually a trade truck and they just put all the Laramie stuff in there. I mean, well, that's different because they're talking about interior, but it doesn't even have the motor that it's supposed to have. So running the VIN, 170,000 miles, so probably 180, and it's just a Ford Mustang GT, and this is just stuff that they added to it, and they were able to sell it for that. So I'm gonna have two videos on it. One, the front end is completely junk, bad tie rods, bad control arm, sway bar bushings, garbage. And then we'll do another one on the rear, because the rear also needs some work. But yeah, unfortunate. I spoke to the guy about it, did it kind of inconspicuous and saying, hey, did you check that VIN? And when he checked the VIN, he was a little heartbroken on it. But at least the good part is it's well maintained, it's a good condition, it's got good bones on it. I guess that's the good thing to say about it. So check your VINs, phone a friend, and just don't fall for the flare in the exterior. Do your homework. So you'll see a couple of videos on this. Just wanted to kind of go over it. Real nice car. I mean, I'm not a Mustang guy, I'll drive a truck all day long, but still, I guess it happened. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the other videos on this Mustang.